Hi friends, welcome back to the channel SciTech. In today's related to the Airtel Xstream broadband Wi-Fi speed test and the download test comparison between the Oneplus Nord 2 versus the Realme X8 Max device, as you can see here. And finally, I got a chance to use the Airtel Xstream broadband connection, and let's see which phone will be having what kind of transfer link speed, and what will be the speed test, and what will be the download test as well. So that's the first thing which I thought of just showing you for all the users what kind of transfer link speed both phones are getting right now, as you can see. So each 66 Mbps. So both phones are getting really high transmit link speed. So this is a test using only the Airtel connection at this moment. So first let's start with the download test. So this is a Lots Mobile game which I'm going to download using this kind of speed. And this Airtel Xstream broadband plan is of 200 Mbps of speed. So sometimes we do get 200 and sometimes more than 200 and sometimes less than 200. But this is a plan is about 200 Mbps of speed plan. So now let's download same game in both phones at same time. Let's see which phone will be able to download the game faster. 1, 2, 3. And you can actually see the speeds as well. In the notification panel you can see the speeds. So try to look at the speeds, which phone is getting what kind of speeds on the top of the notification panel. So this is the Oneplus Nord 2 and is the Realme X8 Max device. As you can see when you compare side by side, so both phones are not bad. They are kind of close to each other in terms of the speeds, 78 and 71 Mbps, and Oneplus Nord 2 slightly finishes faster than the Realme X8 Max in terms of the download. As you can see, it's 99% and it's right now it's installing, but both phones start to install at same time, but first finished in the Oneplus Nord device in terms of the download speed. As you can see exactly downloading at same time. These are the results which we got at this moment. As you can see friends, and it is a 200 MB game. Let's try to download this game and let's see which phone will be able to download this 200 MB file faster. So right now the Realme X8 Max is taking the lead, but even the Oneplus Nord 2 is also started to come up with that kind of speed. You can see on the notification panel exactly. And this is my first time doing this kind of test side by side by using the Airtel Xstream broadband, so which a lot of users previously did ask me to use. So maybe next if it's possible I'll try to do it with the Geo Fiber as well test, but right now I do have only the Airtel Xstream. Just a little bit the Oneplus Nord 2 is faster than the Realme X8 Max, as you can see 2 times. So 2 times we did the download test, and now let's do the speed test. So in the speed test we'll get to know few more things as well. So here's the speed test application which I'm trying to use in both phones. As you can see, and both phones are connected to the same Wi-Fi network only at this point. As you can see, same Wi-Fi network only, which is Airtel Xstream, and both are connected to the same, I think, server. As you can see, same server at this point, and let me just start at the same time. Now let's see which phone will be able to take most of the Wi-Fi connection at this point. And the Realme X8 Max is trying to take the Wi-Fi, but Oneplus Nord 2 is taking the lead at this moment. As you can clearly see friends, the Oneplus Nord 2. But right now the Realme X8 Max got the highest, which is 109 Mbps of speeds, and the upload speed slightly taken over by the Oneplus device at this moment. So these are the speeds which we got after doing the one test. So at same time, so let's do the test one by one. So individually we'll try to do the test. So let's try to go to the speed and let's try to start the test right now in the Oneplus Nord 2. Let's see in this phone so how much high speeds we can actually get. So right now we're getting kind of more than 150, so it's reached up to 154. So I did say the Wi-Fi plan broadband is kind of close to 200 Mbps of plan, but right now we're getting about 158, not bad. But sometimes I did get 247 Mbps as well sometimes in the Oneplus Nord 2. So now I'll try to check in the Realme X8 Max as well. Let's go to the Realme X8 Max and start doing the test again. Let's see what happens in the Realme X8 Max. The Realme X8 Max was able to get the same kind of speed, but slightly more than the Oneplus Nord 2 as well. As you can see 170, but still it's kind of coming down. 130. So it got settled around close to 140 finally. Slightly less than the Oneplus Nord 2 speeds, as you can see exactly. So this complete speed test using only the Airtel Xstream broadband connection only. And in case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below friends, and I'll try to do the one more time test and then I'll try to end up this video. So right now is our final test and then I'll try to end up this video. So Oneplus Nord 2 right now, the Oneplus Nord 2 getting about speeds more than 150. 150, 150, 149.30, 149, and upload speeds of 116 in this phone, in the OnePlus Nord 2. So now let's see the final thing, what happens in the Realme X1 Max. Finally, yes. In the Realme X1 Max, we are getting about 160, 170 as well. Let's see whether that will remain constant or not in this phone. But it started to decrease again later on. It came down to 150. Not bad. So 167 we got in this Realme X1 Max at the same time. And these are the results which you can actually compare between both phones. And in case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below, friends. And finally, these are the results between both devices, and both phones were able to capture really good Wi-Fi connection and speeds as well. Not much complaints at this point, as you can see here. So final thing, let's try to do the final test, which is doing the test at same time. 1, 2, 3. So by this I'll try to conclude. That's it. So doing the test at same time, we're getting 100 and 100 each in the each phones. As you can see, it's divided into equal, I think so. Exactly, we're getting equal kind of points. Not bad, as you can see, friends. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video, and in case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. And meanwhile, don't forget to check the playlist for both phones. In case if you want any other doubts, you can definitely check the playlist, and that will clear all your doubts as well. So meanwhile, thank you for watching, friends. See you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.